Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. 80.5 today. And not much to talk about today. We're not going to do anything major. I'm going to try and scrape most of that off the wall. Finish taking the drywall down there. Take out that outlet, and that outlet. All stuff you've seen before. Might get down there and deal with that. Might deal with that baseboard. I don't really know today. It's been a long week. It rained again while I was at work, so came home a little early. Felix, why you yelling? You need running lessons. You run like a nerd. I think the neighbors next door over there dropped off some gravel. Couldn't quite tell what the hell they were doing. It looked like they've rented a forklift and are just using that to push the thing down. I mean, it'll work, and it'll work great. There's just more efficient ways to do that. I was gonna grab a cap from work and just see if it fit, but I forgot all about it. So that didn't happen. Since we've got the water turned off, I can get that hot water line out of there. Go into I can disconnect the water heater, pull it out, cut that, pull the pipe through the wall. That'd be fine. Don't know what to do about that cold water though. I still think it's got to come up, but I don't know. So that's all I got for you. We're not going to have a big video about all this because you've seen that. You've seen how we get that texture off. That's pretty tedious. I think they did it. This is where the fridge was. And I'm gonna bet it stopped. Something stopped right about there. So they just textured up to there and stopped. This one's gonna be fun. This is gonna be as fun as that was. I got a feeling. This one I don't think will be too bad. And they're over the door, I don't think. But yeah, this is a lot of wall over here. There's not much there, but it's stuck real good. So might have to go and find my spray bottle. It should be over there somewhere. Yeah. I'll pop on back over when it's done. Okay. So mostly all I've done is just clean up. It's very hot and it's later than I realized when I came out, so I haven't done much. Just kind of organized, took the covers off. This outlet, okay, this one was in the wall over there. It's a metal box, new construction, fairly common thing. I've not done anything to this. See all this exposed wire here? Well, on the back of these, there's this little thing here. It says strip gauge. So that's how much you're supposed to strip off the end of the wire before you jam it in there. I hate using these anyway. But that's way too much. And in a metal box, that's potential for arcing to the point where if you use a metal box, when you use these side terminals, you should really wrap this in electrical tape 2 or 3 times just to keep that from happening. That's not even, like, I don't know if that ground screw there used to be green, but it ain't anymore. So Add that to the list of potential fire hazards. It's not a big one, but still. It's very insulated. It's very, very rigid stuff. This must have been such a pain to pull, especially with the coating on that. Yeah, terrible. Anyway, we talked about this once. Best way to get this drywall compound here off the cement is to get it wet. Now the paint, since they used a gloss, isn't going to want to take to the water very well. And my little spray bottle is a trooper, but we needed to upgrade a bit. So I own 2 sprayers already. One's full of herbicide, one's full of insecticide. Didn't want to use those. But I'll just run around the corner to the Ace Hardware there. They're closed. So we've got it's called Family Dollar. It's kind of a crummy little department store. A lot of the crap they have is crap. But here's what they do. They move into town, they price everything at like $5-10 or less. And then they drive the normal department store out of business and then up go their prices. That's how they do things. This was $10, marked down to $5. It's a 1-gallon sprayer. It's not great, but you know what? I've paid a lot more money for sprayers that don't have a shoulder strap, or that hose is huge. It's so long. It's kind of nice. So just water in there. I'm going to soak the hell out of this, probably let it sit overnight. Come back in the morning and see what we can do with it. Apparently this Formica went all the way up to there, which is a lot more than I was anticipating. I mean, we ran into that over here, but yeah. Huge, huge backsplash. You consider that the countertop was here, right? So your faucet was here. So you got almost a foot of backsplash there. That seems excessive to me. But what do I know? I just have to tear it apart.